Hello friends, it's Trisha here from Freedom Hill. We are on vacation at Deep Creek Lake in Western Maryland. So I wanted to take you on a tour of that vacation house. I'm standing at the front door, which is here, a little deck out there. And it walks into a foyer, all our stuff, totes and stuff. A little foyer with a coat rack, and it overlooks the dining room. So let's start there. We have a puzzle going on. We almost always do on vacation, work a big puzzle. This is a 2,000 piece puzzle. We started on the first night. Got our laptops and stuff set up over there. This goes around into the kitchen, and it's very adequate. Very nice kitchen. I just have to cook on electric instead of gas, but you know, it's a week, so it's no big deal. And then that turns into the living room, which is also a movie viewing room. Has a gas fireplace. So you might use that on a cool night. It does get cooler at night here. It's in the mountains. And then this leads out to a deck which wraps around the house. And I'm going to show you the deck out of the master bedroom. So we'll get back to that. So yeah, this is the living area where we're spending a lot of our time. So let me take you to the master suite, which is on this floor. This is a 2-story home, so we'll go downstairs in a bit. This is the master suite, and it's bright and beautiful. It also has a TV, a desk, a huge closet, walk-in closet, which is super nice. And the master bathroom is in here. It's a walk-in shower, a jetted tub. The views from the master are beautiful. Views of the lake, part of a mountain. And then the deck. The view, there is a little bit of traffic because this is a main road. The deck goes all the way around the house. It just keeps going and going and going till it enters back into the dining room. And this is the final bedroom. I won't show you all the mess because one of my sons is staying in here, but it also has its own TV, and this bedroom has its own bathroom as well, with a shower and the whole 9 yards. Yeah. So this is our vacation home. Okay, moving on to the basement for now. Let's go downstairs. These stairs are very well lit. It's very pretty floor, very clean. And down here we have a full-size pool table, which we have immensely enjoyed. There is a wet bar over here. We keep drinks in the refrigerator down there. And then a walkout patio area that has a view of the lake, Deep Creek Lake. And you can see there's some traffic, but That's par for the course here. Yeah, it's hard to get a good shot. Sorry. Anyway, and then this area has a complete family room with another TV that's just set up for movies and things. But yeah, it's got a lot of space. There's another table outside for eating and big old sectional couch. And can you see it? The view of the lake is right there. Really hard for some reason to get a good shot. But yeah. And down here, there are 2 bedrooms. Each bedroom in the house has a private bath. So, yeah, everybody gets their own bathroom. That works out. On the other side of the stairs is, over here there's a laundry room. Looking for a light switch, I don't see one. I'm sure there is one. But yeah, there's a laundry room. Washer and dryer. Full bathroom goes to the next bedroom. It's a little bit tight. And then the final bedroom is in here. It's got a flat screen TV on the wall. Nice big closet. Yeah. So there you have the basement. Pretty cool. This is where we vacation this week. The boys rented kayaks and they're out on the kayaks again today, having a great time.